my door, I have a hook with my Kanken purse, another purse that I got from a thrift store, and my Nikon camera in its case. And then directly to the right of my door is my calendar. I only have a couple things on there right now. And then down here I have this foldable like table thing that I do a lot of my homework on. And going to the right again, I have a fake snake plant from Target. And then up here I have 2 different postcards that I got from an art museum. The top one is a Monet piece, and the bottom one I believe is from Charles Frederick. I can't remember. Next to that is my closet. Here's just a view of my clothes. It's not much to look at. I have shoes down here, and then that brown bag is actually my trash bag. And then I have my present for my little sister. And then up top, I just have some like out of season clothing. And then down on the bottom there, I have my typewriter, and behind it is just a jar with my glasses in it. And then I also have a full-length mirror hanging up. Above that is just a little wall clock that I got from a thrift store. And here is my bed. It's not much, but it's super comfortable. My friend Nick got me this blanket, and then I actually won the koala bear at like a arcade thing. I have 2 pillows, but I usually put them in that position over there just because I think it looks better. And then on my windowsill, the curtains I actually put up because obviously my bed, and then also that one blocks sunlight to my plant, so you know. In my windowsill I have my Himalayan salt lamp, my essential oils, and then this linen spray for night, my remote, and my water bottle. And then on this side I'm just growing another plant from a cutting, and then I also have my micron pens and my marker board. And then I also have 3 of my crystals. I have more downstairs, but I haven't completely brought all of them up yet. So I just have my tangerine quartz, my selenite, and my aragonite. So if you guys want me to do like a crystal video, I will definitely do that for you. And then next to that, this is like super messy and ugly, but I have my pillow that I take with me to school sometimes, just in case I want to, you know, sleep in class. And then underneath that is my laptop. I have all of my charging essentials here, my book bag for school, and then I have this lamp, and then my tripod behind that. And then over here is my dresser, and above it is my TV. So in this drawer, I just have some medicine, my makeup, my everyday things like lotion and deodorant, and then in here I have my face products. And then over here I have all of my like cords and stuff. So I have my speaker and the charger, my portable charger, Harry Potter, the whole 8-film set, and then all of my PS4 games. And then in this one, I just have some PJ shirts and some PJ pants. And then here at the bottom one, I know my folding is terrible, but I just have all of my jeans. And then in this drawer, I actually have books that I'm reading right now. So right now I am reading the Essential Oil book by Colleen K. Dott. And this is a really good one for learning about essential oils. And then I have Artemis by Andy Weir. And then I have my bullet journal, some other self-awareness / growing, whatever you want to call it, books. I have my pen collection in here, and then over here I have all of my craft supplies. So I've got like my mild liners, my Pilot gel pens, some stickers, my sketchbook, scissors, glue, that kind of thing. And then I also have a ruler down there. And then down here I have my underwear and all of my socks. And in here, this is just an absolute mess. I need to go through it and organize it, but I have all of my pants. So I've got like trousers and high-waist pants and shorts and skirts and leggings and everything like that in there. So this is my Golden Pothos plant. And then I have my Love Yourself concept CDs and books. And then my Impressionist art book, just so I can look at it whenever I'm bored. And then over here I have my PS4 with some controllers, and then this origami crane that I made, and then my Rose Jam perfume, this jar for my Korea fund, as I like to call it, with baby's breath, and a fan that my really close friend Gayang got for me. She was a foreign exchange student at my school, but she's gone back to Korea and I miss her so much. So above that I have all of my jewelry, and this is on my homemade jewelry thing that you might have seen in my last room tour if you watched it. So I have 2 crystal necklaces, my essential oil necklace, a bracelet that my boyfriend got for me, earrings, and then just a simple pearl necklace thing. And then down next to my dresser I have my yoga mat, and then to the right I have more postcards from an art museum. So that was my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I know I look absolutely ratchet, but I've been cleaning and doing laundry today, so cut me some slack. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!